Then it's only right I say I'm out. Yeah. Shark Tank is probably all this money or the cars only parking. I've been eating good, stacking chips like a card game. Walk around knowing none of shit like a fart stand.
All right, check it out. I'm trying something, and if this works, this is gonna help you so much. You're gonna be like, wait a minute, what? Amazing, and I hope this works. So here's what I did. If you've watched any of my SoundCloud videos where I told you to upload a snippet of a song because it's easier to promote and get people to pay attention to, look at this. 1 month ago, I uploaded Shark Tank. In the last month, I've gotten 54,000 streams on here, okay? I only have 2 songs uploaded that are the primary songs. And look at that, 14K, 24K. These songs are doing numbers, but the rest of them is just a couple snippets. There's 3 snippets. And one of them that I'm actually releasing today is called Shark Tank. But it was promoted for the last month as just a snippet on Repost Exchange. And if you want to check out Repost Exchange, it's smartrabbit.com/RE, and you'll get extra credits. If you're not using this site yet, you have to use this. Like the reviews that I've been getting, actually I can show you right here. So these are all Repost Exchange things that people have said to me. Using Repost Exchange, already got all these numbers. Started using it, already gained 100 followers between 3 songs in 3 days. All right, and then this guy said, definitely get 1,000 streams for a week. That wouldn't have happened if he wasn't using their website. Okay, within a week, and he showed me his numbers. I was like, good job, bro. All right, so what we're doing here is this. I'm actually going to try to replace the 10-second snippet of Shark Tank with a fully uploaded full version of Shark Tank that's 3 minutes. And I'm gonna see if it keeps the stats, because either way I need to remove the snippet. The real song comes out today, right? So I just uploaded it. I haven't even hit save yet. All right, so here it is right here. I uploaded it. It's the full version. You can see it's the final wave, and I'm actually replacing the file. So I'm gonna hit save right now and make sure the permission, make sure everything's good. Okay, all right. That basic info. I'm gonna hit save. See what happened there? It knows I'm being sneaky. What? What's this? Let's try it. Only cactus. All right.
Shit like a fart stand. Wow. Like a fart stand. All my shit is new age. I'm new wave. About to hang out with your baby. Yeah, there's a due date. In the way, I ain't calling to play.
What's the bag for?
I'm going to the bank. I got proof too. It's a picture from.
Interesting. So this is what it did. It kept the stats, but the 234 comments only stayed in this beginning position. So it kept the stats though, right? So like that's what matters, is we want to keep the stats of the song. Okay, shit, I should drop this. I was supposed to drop it 2 days ago. I ain't gonna lie, I've been so busy with the rapper shortcut launch, I haven't been able to. But okay, well, we see that's what it does. But it keeps all the comments, of course. Like, why wouldn't it keep the comments further back? And let's check it on a different browser too, just to see how it looks here. Just want to see if it's, make sure it's the same when I'm logged into a different account, okay? Yeah, it loads the comments. See, the only thing is that it says the song came out a little sooner than it did. But I get to keep the real stats that I got on the song. So this is freaking amazing. How is the likes and the reposts exactly the same? What the hell is that about? This is amazing. Also, you want to know how I also know it's an amazing song, and I talk about this in other ones, is only 2,000 more streams, but this has like 4 times the comments and 4 times the repost and likes with only a quarter more of the streams. And that's how you can tell that people really mess with it. You know what I'm saying? So I'm very, very happy about that. Let's go ahead and, this is out. Let's go ahead and start promoting it to people. I'm gonna go ahead and go to Repost Exchange right now. I am going to, boom. Ooh, look at the credit. Ooh, look at the credit, boy. So what I want to do is I'm actually going to go to a campaign and start a new campaign. Because I also want to make sure this still works. Yeah, it's Shark Tank. All right, let's give it 1,000. Let's do 1,000 credits. Let's do hip hop, obviously. And let's start the campaign. And what I do is I'm upgraded to the networking, or to the network plan, which is the biggest plan. I want to be able to run 3 campaigns at a time. If not, I only have 1. And I really want this to be more than 1. So let's go ahead and set this to featured. Okay, cool. So it's doing my 3 main songs. These are the 3 songs I have out. So I'm able to promote all of them consistently, which I love. So if you want to check out Repost Exchange, smartrapper.com/RE, and you'll be able to get you get free credits. You need to sign up for this. As you can see, those screenshots that I showed you, people love this site, and it's really helping. It's really growing things. And now we know that we can actually upload a song and replace the song with a snippet, and the only downside is that those comments don't play and stream across the whole thing. Instead, they play here. But if I immediately do a campaign, and let's say that I did a managed campaign, actually I have to actually approve you for managed campaign, because they only do really, really super good artists. So if you want to get a managed campaign, email me, therapperguide@gmail.com, and I'll check out your music. And if you're good enough, I can actually send you the link, because he gave me, the CEO of that company gave me a special link for people that I approve, to be able to, that I'm like, yes, these artists are good enough from Smart Rapper for them to be able to be allowed to do a managed campaign. Because if you're not good enough, they don't let you do a managed campaign. And a managed campaign is the thing that I showed you guys, that I think it was on like day 4 or something I did, and when I did my documentary, and it skyrocketed me. Like I gained tons of followers, tons of fans, because it blasts your music to 500,000 people like this. So if you have a new single come out, I highly recommend that you do it, but you can't do it unless I approve you. Just email me, therapperguide@gmail.com, if you're interested in doing a managed campaign, a Repost Exchange, because it blew my mind when I did it. That's when I was like, holy crap, everything doubled. No, I think it was like everything quadrupled when I did that. But either way, we now know that we can upload the song and keep the stats. That is amazing. That means when this song releases on Christmas, I'm gonna be able to just re-upload it here too and promote it from here. Man, I'm finding you guys all the hacks on SoundCloud, man. This is beautiful. Make sure you follow me on SoundCloud and send me your songs too. I know a lot of people are sending me songs. Every month, I'm gonna listen to little snippets of some songs, and you're better off sending me a snippet. And the best people, I'm actually gonna repost you onto my page, okay? So you can get the exposure I'm getting. And we're just getting started. I actually haven't started even marketing my music. The only thing I'm using on here is Repost Exchange. But once I'm actually marketing my music, I've spent no money on no ad dollars except for on Repost Exchange. When I'm running ads and everything else like that, because I've been so busy building the rapper shortcut for you guys. Finally I can focus on my career, because I spent all that time doing that. It's game time. I'm about to start popping off. I got 50,000, let's see, hold on. Because you'll see on my Spotify, I got 50,000. I got 50,000 monthly listeners, and I'm not even doing anything, not even really marketing yet. I'm about to blow up, and y'all get to come with me. I'm going to teach you everything I learned, okay? So go follow me on Spotify, go follow me on SoundCloud, and send me your song. If you're following me on Spotify and you're following me on Instagram @RobLevel, and I check Rob_Level, I will listen to your music. And if you're good enough, I'm going to go check your stuff, and then I'm going to actually repost you so you can get some exposure. All right, enough talking. It's late. I gotta keep working on this stuff. All right, so keep hustling, gang. Hope this helps you out. I mean, it helped me out. I just learned it right now, and you witnessed it with me. It works. So let's go. Keep hustling. I'll see you at the top.
And it's only right I say I'm out. Yeah. Shark Tank is probably all this money, or the cars only parking. I've been eating good, stacking chips like a card game. Walk around knowing none of shit like a fraud